Hello everyone. Before starting this video, do you know why bread does not spoil in a day? Or how juices like Coca-Cola, Miranda, 7-Up stays fresh in a bottle for weeks? The reason is food preservatives. It is a natural or chemical substance that added to food to prevent spoilage and extend shelf life. It caused mainly by microbial activity like growth of bacteria, chemical changes like oxidation enzyme reactions. There are three types of food preservatives include natural, synthetic or biological food preservatives. Natural food preservatives. It is derived from natural sources like plants, animals or minerals used traditionally in food preservation. These are some examples for natural food preservatives. Starts with salt. It creates osmotic pressure that sources from minerals. Sugar reduce the water activity which inhibits the microbial growth. Next is vinegar. It is fermented alcohol. It reduces the pH and inhibits the bacterial growth. Citric acid. It reduces the pH and chelating metal ions. Spices. It contains phenolics and natural antimicrobials like eugenol and cloves. These are some other natural food preservatives like vinegar, paprika, turmeric, balsamic vinegar, dill seeds, cinnamon, cedar vinegar, black pepper berries, citric acid, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, black peppercorns. Next is chemical preservatives. These are widely used in commercial production because they are effective, predictable, and economically best one. Starts with benzoate. It effective in acidic foods, inhibit the yeast and mold some bacteria. Then nitrates and nitrates. It used in curd meats to prevent Clostridium botulinum toxic production. Sulfur dioxide. It used in juices, dry fruits and wines. Propionates. It prevent mold growth in bread. Next is biological food preservatives. It is used in microorganisms or their metabolic products of to naturally control spoilage and pathogens. These are some examples: lactic acid bacteria, niacin, bacteriophages, lysozyme. It commonly found in milk products. Lactic acid bacteria, it produce organic acid and hydrogen peroxide and bacteriocins. Niacin, bacteriocin effective against gram-positive bacteria. Bacteriophages, it infects and lyses foodborne pathogens. Lysozyme, it degrades the peptidoglycan of bacterial cell, especially gram-positive. These are some common food preservatives. The E number, it is a code assigned to food additives and preservatives by European Union. E represents European Union. Okay. Next is the factors influencing the effectiveness of preservatives. Starting with pH of the food. Many food preservatives are some most effective in acidic environments. For example, sodium benzoate work best at pH 4.5. Next is the temperature. Refrigeration slows microbial growth and enhances preservation action. At high temperature, preservatives may degrade or lose activity. Next is water activity. Some microbes require water for growth. To reduce the water activity by drying, salting, increasing preservative efficiency. Then type and strain of microbes. Spoilage and pathogenic microbes vary in resistance. For example, gram-negative bacteria generally more resistant to organic acids than gram-positive bacteria. Next is initial microbial load. Some foods with high contamination require high preservative concentration. Food composition. Fats and proteins may bind preservatives, reducing their availability. Example: lipid-rich food may require strong preservatives than carbohydrate foods. Synergistic effects. It is hurdle technology, combining multiple preservative techniques. For example, low pH refrigeration plus preservatives is more effective than single method. For example, cheese preservation uses salt, low pH refrigeration, and sorbates together. So these are the food preservatives and factors affecting their effectiveness and preservatives. Thank you for watching this video.